Hi with Z Arts again. How beautiful to see your graphic artwork animated. Motion is so wonderful, like a magic world. Before we search for great tutorials, let's speak for the motion design. Motion design is a discipline that applies graphic design principles to filmmaking and video production through the use of animation and visual effects. Examples include films, videos, animated text, and web-based animations and apps. Motion designer design graphics that are in motion. Working across a wide range of media, including film, television, advertising, and web content, motion graphic designers create artwork and vivid visual effects that bring a simple piece of video content to an entirely new level. The elements of motion design, or motion graphics, is a video technique that involves pieces of and includes illustration and typography elements such as logo, text, data, or even character animation. So have a nice watching with Z Arts Motion World.